Disconnect all power from the refrigerator. On top of the refrigerator, locate the power board cover. Remove the 3 Phillips head screws that secure the cover. Then remove the cover. It is recommended that you take a photo before disconnecting or removing any wire connections as a reference. Using needle nose pliers, carefully disconnect all wire connections. Remove the Phillips head screw. Push in the tabs that help secure the board in place, then remove the old board. Carefully snap in the new power board into place. Install the screw and tighten down, making sure not to over-tighten to not damage the new board. Using the photo taken as reference, reconnect all wiring connections to their proper connections. Reattach the power board cover by sliding the cover into the back grooves as shown. Install screws and then tighten down to secure cover. Reconnect all power to the refrigerator.